Dr. Zakir, in the case of a person who wishes to give zakat to a non-dependent family member, what is the ruling on this?
As far as giving zakat to a family member who is not dependent, it is permissible. There's a hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Zakat, hadith number 1462. Once the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he was giving khutbah after the Eid, whether it was Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. He was giving khutbah and he told to the people that give alms, give charity, give zakat. Then he went to the women and told them, give alms, give charity. And he comes back home, and then a lady by the name of Zainab, may Allah be pleased with her, she comes to the house of the Prophet and says, may I come in? So, who are you? So she says, I'm Zainab. Who's Zainab? Then Zainab, the wife of Ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him. Prophet said, yes, you can come in. So she says that because you told me to give zakat, I want to give my zakat and give the gold jewelry. But my husband, Ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, he says that no one is more deserving than your husband and your son. So the Prophet replies, he is right. The most deserving of your zakat is the husband and your son, and giving to them the best people. So this proves that you can give zakat to your family member who is not a dependent. And further it's mentioned in the hadith of Tirmidhi, hadith number 2583, that giving charity to the poor is only charity. But giving charity to your near ones, it is also building relationships. So a man cannot give zakat to his wife because she is a dependent. But a wife can give zakat to the husband. Similarly, a son cannot give zakat to the mother, but a mother can give zakat to a son because a son is not dependent on the mother. It is the father whose responsibility to take care of the family. Similarly, a sister can give zakat to the brother. But natural, all of these relatives or non-dependent should fall in one of the 8 categories. Then they can give zakat to the relatives or non-dependent.